Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Slack AI workflows with Zapier for approvals and alerts. Complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have accounts set up for both Slack and Zapier. Log into your Zapier account using your credentials. Once you're in, click on the Make a Zap button to start creating a new workflow. Select Slack as your trigger app. Choose the appropriate trigger event, such as New Message Posted to Channel. Connect your Slack account by authorizing Zapier's access. Select the channel you want to monitor for approval requests. Next, set up the action that will respond to the trigger. Search for the Slack app again as your action app. This time, select the action event, such as Send Channel Message. Now, connect your Slack account if not done already. You will be prompted to configure the message settings. Customize your message to include the approval request details. You can also use Slack's AI features to enhance the message readability. Once your message is configured, scroll down to add another action. If you want to set up alert notifications, choose Email as an action app. Select the action event Send Outbound Email. Connect your email account if prompted. Now, configure the email settings to alert the relevant team members. Include important details so the recipient can act on the alert. You may also adjust the message format for clarity. After configuring all actions, click on Test and Continue to ensure everything works smoothly. If the test is successful, move on to the final step. Give your Zap a descriptive name to easily identify its purpose. Finally, click Turn on Zap to activate your workflow. Your Slack AI workflows with Zapier for approvals and alerts are now set up and ready to go. Congratulations on enhancing your team's communication and workflow efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.